Hey guys, I'm back with another MOC. It's another moon car variant. This time it's based on the Octan, Lego's fake gas company. But it's sort of like a racing version. Got very sleek design with no studs anywhere on top except for right here. Very streamlined design, and it's also kind of very lightweight, very thin, got very sleek design all around. Not as detailed on the bottom, but it's still got some detail. It's got the 3 landing gear right on each part. Each one can be adjusted a little bit. And then got some air intakes on the top of it. Got 2 on the side and 2 on the front. Got some detailing on the inside of them. Then on the back, you've got a lot more engines. Got some stripes all around it. Then open up the inside of it. It's got room for 1 minifig. Got the controls. This can fold out to let the minifig up. Got your fuel back there. Space for 1 minifig, but it's kind of crowded in here, but can fit in nice. But yeah, thanks for watching.